What are you doing, huh? You digging holes? What is that? We got moles moving in around here. Butcher says, I'm on them though, Papa. Haha, let's go for a run. Kitty, you can't come. Alright. Fun sticks. Fun things. Fun gun? Probably not allowed to say that. Fun? It's probably the one thing I'm not allowed to say. Yeehaw! You ready? Wait. Okay. It's me, Mario. The one wheel peel. Perch. Here's a big one. Man, I should come up with stuff to talk about during these. This is one of my favorite times of the day. Absolutely. Getting to run this dog. I don't know why I've been putting it off lately. I feel like I'm sparing him some way in my mind because I'm tired. I'm the tired one. All I have to do is drive. He loves it, and I like the driving. Doing like 20 this whole time. There's some guys, I think they're on motorcycles back there. I wonder if they'll come catch up to me. Or if I'll run into them, maybe they're heading to the pit or something. Oh, emergency poo stop. Pee stop over. Oh, better be on them brakes a little more. Not here though. Man, I should weld the rear end. Definitely learning to carry body weight into corners and get used to sliding with just that. Oh, see, like that one was close to breaking loose at the end, but I had an old Toyota on 38-inch Super Swampers in the rear. 36s up front, since you're asking. It did break my front gears, yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't know that at the time. and it was in 4-wheel drive. Anyway, that's another story. But it had a spool in the rear, so it was completely locked, like just welded, but a spool instead. And if it was just slightly raining, all you'd have to do is just give it a little, just something small, and it would just kind of like spin out. So you could do like up hills. There's this really famous one in Newport where I grew up, and it would kind of like bend around up to the right, coming up towards the bridge, and you get sideways going up that, and it's like a nice big open corner. If there's nobody coming, you can just kind of drift the whole thing on the way up. It's pretty sick. Man. Oh yeah, I was going to shoot. Don't be a tear for me. Oh my god, I didn't even grab that duck pop. I ain't got nothing to shoot. I'm gonna find a piece of garbage. Wanna ride? Yeah, was that a good run, buddy? Yeah. Well, I just bought a vehicle on an auto auction website. Emily's a little nervous about it, and I don't blame her. Buying vehicles is always a little nerve-wracking. But it's a 2021 Nissan Titan, crew cab. I got it for, it'll come out to right about 11,000. So I think I'm gonna go up, pick it up tomorrow, and then drive my Jeep back on a car dolly. And hopefully that Jeep sells this weekend, and then hopefully I'll be able to drive that the Titan around, and that'll be my next flip vehicle. So I'll take you along, and we'll see how it goes. It does have a check engine light. It does have like somebody backed into it or something with the grill, like plastic is cracked on the grill, and there's a slight little dent on a piece of chrome. Grill will be easy to replace, but I just pray that this thing is solid. 136,000 miles. So yeah, fingers crossed. So I just picked up this Nissan, and I got a trailer for the Jeep. I'm gonna pull the Jeep back, but the strap on that side is broke. Got that one there. And so I just bought a pack of straps. I'm gonna get every corner and be back on the road. About 5 hours to home. So far the truck is dirtier, grosser than I expected. It's running pretty good. It was low on power steering fluid, and so that was making some noise. But most of the weird noises have kind of gone away. There was a little bit of a tick for a second. That's kind of gone away now. A little bit of buildup on the oil cap kind of concerned me. And some codes for, oh, what was it for? Like cam sensor out of alignment. I don't think it was cam sensor, but something like that. Not super great, but let's hope it's just some simple sensors, nothing major. That'd be awesome. gosh, I don't. What if I was ripping this off? Does that work? No, that's really threaded in there. I'll probably be cutting them all off, honestly. Alright, good stuff there. Tie this off. Okay, good. Let's go get the back. Kentucky. A little bit hokey, never done that before, but let's hope I don't get robbed out here. Alright, kinda cheap. I'm surprised they don't have more in the back anyway. They do have a hokey chain hookup. To itself. Okay. Anything from it? Alright, I think we are good. ciggies. I think they smoke ciggies in here. Good old cigarettes. I got my Panda box. Anything good? I'm sure I'll have fun finding out where that's from. Alright. It is the next morning at 11 o'clock, about noon. So it was real cold this morning, just kind of hanging out with Emily. It's actually Thanksgiving today. So I'm going to drop off the U-Haul trailer that I hold the Jeep back with, and then I'm going to take Fletcher for a run. Kind of have some other errands to do, stop by the store, get some heavy whipping cream. So then we'll get to see how this thing drives, see how it handles four-wheel drive, or off-road, some bumps. Maybe put it in four-wheel drive, see that it does shift, and just kind of check that out. But so far on it, I'm thinking, so it's got a variable valve timing, and it seems that those sensors get pretty dirty, especially when the oil gets a little bit dirty. And I'm thinking they didn't do oil changes because it costs money and time, and people just don't do them. They don't do them themselves, they don't like taking them in. So I might try an engine flush. I am getting some stutters weirdly today that I wasn't getting last night. So trailer's empty. We'll see if what kind of difference that makes. But engine oil flush. Other than that, some minor stuff. Maybe pull all of the VVT solenoids and clean those up. That'll probably help. And clean the inside because it's just stinky in here. I don't like it. I want my own stink in here. You know what I mean? A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor. So, alright. Catch you later. Oh my, windy. This here's the truck. A little bit of damage to the front there. Sorry, you're probably getting wind right into the audio. Stinky, smoked in. Pretty gross. See if we can clean this thing up. Put a leveling kit and some like 32, 33 inch tires on it. Get rid of the mud flaps. It'd be looking pretty good. Some good paint chips here too. Be good to get a little marker and just come through and touch all these up. What are you getting, kitty? Oh! Garbage. Garbage out. So it's gonna be a whole week. Stop it right now. Boom, see that?